This is a certified pre-owned 2009 Acura MDX. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a V6, and the added safety and control of all-wheel drive. Its top features include a sunroof, heated seats, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, steering wheel mounted controls, leather seats, performance tires, a rear spoiler, cargo tie-downs, an anti-lock braking system, heated side view mirrors, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Raleigh Acura is located at 1750 Northern Boulevard in Roslyn. As the 7-time recipient of the Precision Team Award, our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.